This is today's look. I use the Bon Jour Montreal Essence palette. When I saw this palette a while back, I bought it just because I used to live in Canada and I used to go to Montreal and Quebec a lot because we had friends then. We used to go on the farm in Quebec and Montreal. We used to go downtown Montreal and hang out. So when I saw Bon Jour Montreal, I was like, I gotta have the palette. It surprised me. The formula works really well. It blends well. Take a look. I had no fallout. Very cute little palette. Nothing you'd think I would wear, but like I say, I bought it because of the Bon Jour Montreal on there and then I actually like it. So I'll be playing with it again. It is gorgeous. If my face looks different, it is because I have El Maquillage pressed face powder on my right, which will be your left, and I have the Black Opal pressed powder, which is my left, and that will be your right. Check that video out. I was comparing them to see how similar they are and how close they are. That Bon Jour Montreal Essence palette is nice. I truly like it. It's beautiful. I can do several looks with this palette for my nude and natural viewers and subscribers. I use the ColourPop Dark 18 as my finishing powder. I am taking today's quote from the Complete Pocket Positives. This book right here, which I have, I bought this a long time ago. I used to buy and sell books, so the ones I liked, I kept, and then if I get extras of it, I would sell it on Amazon a long time ago. I am in the section that says the power of enthusiasm. The quote I'm reading today is by Norman Vincent Peale. It says, if you are not getting as much from life as you want to, then examine the state of your enthusiasm. That is true. Everything you do it with enthusiasm, because if you don't have it, you don't enjoy it. Again, the quote says, if you are not getting as much from life as you want to, then examine the state of your enthusiasm. Always remember, you self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. I am having fun playing with this makeup. If you like this video, share it with somebody else. If you think you like what I do, you can subscribe. I usually post every day sometimes, and sometimes 4 times a week. It depends. If that's something you love, subscribe. I do these videos and have fun and help encourage other people to love themselves a little bit more every day, and to go out there and face your fears and do whatever it is that you need to do to get through in life, and do whatever it takes to bring you a little bit of joy and happiness in your life. Again, I am saying bye. Have a fabulous day.